Today, I'll show you how to remove pages from a DocuSign document even after signing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. First, open your browser and go to the DocuSign website. Log in and head to the agreement section on your dashboard. Next, go to Waiting for Others and locate the document you need to edit. Click on it to open. Now, look for the three-dot menu beside the document name and select Copy. This creates a new editable version of your document. Navigate to the page you want to remove and delete it. Once done, click Next and make sure to save your changes. Remember, DocuSign doesn't let you delete pages from already signed documents. So if the original version is no longer needed, you can delete it to avoid confusion. And that's it. You now have a clean, updated DocuSign document ready to use.